everybody. Welcome to Babo Diva Show. This is your girl, your host, Bonia Baptiste, and this is my beautiful co-host.
Catalina's gross.
Today we have a very special show for you. Let me be real with you guys. Earlier, Catalina called me and she said, "Oh, we have a show today," and I forgot all about it. And I said, "For real, we have a show. What are we gonna talk about?" And she said, "Politics." And I'm like, "Politics? I don't know nothing about politics." But once she started talking to me, let me tell you something. You don't have to go to school for politics to know about politics. When you talk about Haiti, Haiti is an open book. So we all know what's going on. We all have a little share, a little bit of it. Catalina, it's a pleasure to have you here tonight. But let's talk about Haiti.
Thank you for having me.
So the question that I want to ask you, where do you see Haiti 5 years from now? Let's be real.
About Haiti, it's a lot. I don't say like that would be a miracle.
Mhm.
Like first of all, Haiti needs a revolution.
A revolution. I agree.
Revolution, and not any kind. I think we lost a lot of people like that had the mind of discipline. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
Um,
But when you say we lost a lot of people, what do you mean? Do you like who?
we have
Give
a
me
lot
one
of
person.
people that are able to products to do certain things in Haiti. Most of them are not in Haiti. We still have a lot of people that are great and great people in Haiti that are able to do things. But the fact that the government is not like giving any opening
But
for people
Haiti,
to.
you have to understand Haiti is a corrupt country,
Everywhere is corrupt.
but not
You
like
find corruption everywhere.
not like
But
Haiti.
I know, but Haiti. Not only we are black, independent. We're supposed to say that because when we are independent, and we help United States to earn their independence.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Because
And
we took our
we-
independence
we
before
help-
United States.
Yes, and we help them through that. You know what I'm saying? But it's something too that we learned that they never wanted Haiti to have their independence, and this is what's driven to Haiti to get to that position right now.
But when you say things like that, do you blame America for the way Haiti is at the moment? Do you think America played a big part of it?
Not only America, France, America plays because there are a lot of a lot in what is happening in Haiti too, because America, we lost our pigs in Haiti because of America. We lost our pigs, we lost our rice, we even in nature, water. Like sometimes when they said that organizations went to Haiti, they act like they go to Haiti to do something, but they never do anything. Maybe they have something they're looking for, like to, to something that they're looking for. And then when they're done, they just left. but they never go to Haiti. If they had went to Haiti to take care of something good about Haiti, Haiti wouldn't be in that position.
But,
They used to
but
be
this is,
going. They used to be going.
I understand exactly what you say, but this mentality need to stop. Let me tell you the reason. This is why we have this show, everybody. We're not gonna be agree in everything. She's gonna agree on some stuff, and I'm gonna disagree. And I'll tell her, I don't think so. It's not like I don't believe America played a big role when it gets to Haiti's problem, but the Haitian people did not reunite.
Yeah,
They're not working to help Haiti. Instead of working to help Haiti, they're working to, have a big account in United States and France and Canada. They're not really helping this country because what's going on in Haiti right now is crucial.
But the thing is, even when there's a government in Haiti, it's like it's not really a government. The government is under, like, America told Haiti what to do.
Okay, it's time to get up. It's time to stop American from interfere in our government in Haiti. Can we do that? Absolutely.
They're supposed to stop doing that because they don't go to Russia to meddling in things.
But who let them in though?
Those people that are allowing that.
So the government.
The
government or the people that are in Haiti that are in charge, that's who let the American take control. Because all I heard, every election in Haiti, American control the election. Why the American control the election? Because Haiti let the American control the election. It's time for us to say enough is enough.
But
enough is enough.
You have to have the character. You have to have the
Okay,
values.
where's our character?
Have the gut to say no. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
They even may be scared. You know what I'm saying? But why don't any other country? Why not Santo Domingo?
But to be in charge of a country, you cannot be scared. You cannot have fear.
And anybody, don't you see like people, like how many people that when they're trying to do something good for Haiti and then they die? You don't know where that come from, but it's something, like look, for example, the army that we had in Haiti. How did they destroy the army?
Who destroyed the army? The American people did?
It's just for
the American people did destroy the army?
There was a president who said something like that, like that they had to, break the army. Like I think it was about when Arrested, when he was the president, for him to come back to Haiti. And then they destroyed the army. But because
we need to stop that excuses. We need to stop that.
It was because the fact that the army wouldn't allow certain things like that. If the army was still there, all these things that is happening in Haiti wouldn't happen like that. Even though there are a lot of them who are corrupt too. You know what I'm saying? But you would find there are some great ones too, who would say no to certain things. You know what I'm saying?
But I feel like the prior to the assassination was about to tell the whole world what's really going on in Haiti.
Yeah,
I think that's why they get rid of him.
And every Haitian people are questioning about where that come from, but they may not really know, but some people know.
Of course,
it hasn't come out yet. It hasn't come out yet, so they can really reveal who caused that, because they caused Haitian a lot of pain. Let me tell you something.
The Haitian people doesn't know what they want. I remember before the assassination, I overheard people that was talking about they want to get rid of the president. So as soon as the president died, or we want the president. What do we really want in Haiti? What does the Haitian people really want? Right now, we have the gang that is control. Where do you see that? In what country? Please, somebody tell me. Comment. Tell me what country.
Everywhere.
Absolutely, but not like in Haiti.
Everywhere, but
the gangs took control over the Haiti.
Okay, why don't they do something good? Okay, there are a lot, right? What did they take with their mind and turn things around?
So you mean the same mindset they have to hurt? They can use it to fix Haiti.
Yeah, because there's a lot of them, I heard. What do they use that capacity that they have to do something, that to hurt people? They can turn it around to do good with it, to let the country progress, to let the people come out of that situation to where they don't even have the simple basic needs.
But I don't really have faith in Haiti. I'm sorry.
I still have faith in Haiti.
I don't have no faith in Haiti.
We have people that are able to do things like in Haiti, but the fact
she got
that
faith. So that's good.
I have faith.
I don't have faith, and she got faith.
Yeah,
but let me define. Let me tell you the reason why I feel like I lost faith in Haiti, because they're not fixing the problem. The narrative is not the problem. The problem is the system. Until we fix the system, Haiti will never get better. I don't have no faith in the government they have at the moment. And the government itself don't even have faith on themselves. That's the reason you see every day you see one say, oh, I'm quitting. Because they don't have the strong support, and they don't have the mindset to fix the country. Everybody just come in, let me get a little piece of it. Let me run. If that's the mindset they have, to take a piece of Haiti and run, they don't even stay in the country. They don't even use the money, the Haitian money. The money they took from the Haitian people, the money is not even in Haiti. They don't even invest that money in Haiti.
Yeah, that money didn't get used. They use it for their own thing. The people,
why they don't get punished?
Do you know that money that they give, especially the money for like
the earthquake?
Do you know that money? So many people give money to Haiti.
And what happened?
The thing is, it's who were responsible for that. What did that person do in Haiti for people to see that they didn't give their money in vain? Because these people have questions too. You know what I'm saying? They had, what is happening in Haiti? Why did I have to give my money for a country to better themselves? And
so
then
that money just come out missing.
It's like worse. It get worse day by day.
Okay, that's why I say I don't have no faith.
And these people
some people probably think I'm wrong. I do not have faith. Where's the money? So who took the money? Why the Haitian people doesn't go after the people that took the money? Make them accountable for the action.
Yeah, that's
if you take the money, you still you're supposed to pay for that.
Haitian government supposed to be, and we have people in the diaspora that are in positions that are like we may have to have a petition, like everybody signing. You know what I'm saying? And I believe that there are people who know exactly how to do that. Me, I don't know how to do that, but we know that we have resilient, people that are
very smart Haitians that live in this country,
that is capable to do the work. But the thing is their security. It's their security. And they, whoever will be placed in Haiti to do something good in Haiti after what had happened to the president that died, you know what I'm saying? They have to secure everywhere.
So the
And
security, there's no
purposely,
security.
there must be a like radical change, you know, and that government and everything that is involved, like everybody that is part of the government, that is
They all
part
need to
of,
go away. As far as I'm concerned, take everybody away.
you know, they need to,
Take everybody away, replace them by other people.
you know what I'm saying? Because
That's the
they're
only
the
way.
one who are always there. And who those people are, like, you know, it's like, who are you? You have your own country, your own country. You lead to that position. You cause it to be low, down low like that.
But this is a question
Like,
that I'm
not
asking
even the
myself.
people cannot even eat. You don't know what the people are thinking at night. Some people look at this show, a young man eating
The
something
carnival.
like a cannibal.
Since when we become a
This is
crazy.
very sad. This is very sad, people.
Okay.
You who are responsible. You who are responsible for the government. Shame on you. Shame on you, people, to see how you lead that country to that position, and you let it happen by letting people manipulating you. And you already know that we already black, and this is what they want for you. They don't
That's what
want
they want
you
to see.
advance. They don't
But
want you to advance.
that's what I'm saying. When I talk about security in Haiti, security, I think, is one of the biggest problem we have at the moment. I was thinking about something really serious. I'm thinking about if someone can enter the country and kill, assassinate our president, meaning the president was not safe, right?
Absolutely.
Why a gang members are safer than the president of the country?
The thing is, it's a game. It's a game. It's a game. I don't know. I don't even know what to say about this because I've never been in the mindset of a game. But the thing is, whatever they're doing wrong, they've been doing wrong, they can choose to do right from now. Look at where you are longing, where you are longing, where you are like doing everything, everybody around you. Look at other countries, how they're progressing. Look at Dominican Republic that we share.
Right next door.
We share a land with.
And sometimes
which it was ours. We share with them.
Yeah. We take care of Dominican Republic for a long time.
And they're still, even though we share with them, they're still that they're better than us. Look at how they're treating Haitian around there. They don't even pay Haitian. The Haitian leave the country, they go to another country for a better life because of you and the government and other people that are manipulating Haiti, the people that and a part of the people who has money, what they call them, they have the business in Haiti. Those people need to be, be accountable for whatever they've been doing to Haiti. And then, for example, the people in Haiti cannot stay no longer without lights. So these people who are responsible for Haiti, who were responsible to give lights to Haiti, I think it's in around the time an Estimate was so smart. President Estimate, he was the one who come with the kind of things to put light in the country. Some other people take credit for it, but it was an Estimate, I think. The same way we have other people in Haiti people that are able to do great job in Haiti, to lead Haiti, to lead the people. Huh?
But
we need these
how
people
did
to be in Haiti, but the thing is, they have to. There must be a revolution, and they have to think very smarter than
smart and quick?
smarter than Dessalines, because maybe he had made some mistakes by trusting who they weren't supposed to be trusted. They need to do that clean. You know, you have to. There must be a revolution.
But you know
To
something,
make sure that Haiti, those things
I
doesn't
understand
happen
about
like that in Haiti,
revolution.
and trusting who you're not supposed to be trusted. You were on saying that, like they said that, like Americans owe like to American, right? America, friends for the French. Haitians must be. Haiti must be for Haitians, not anybody else's. Because we win our independence, which they're trying to keep us slaves in our own home. Because people cannot eat, they cannot even go to a bathroom, stepping out to go to their bathrooms. The ones who don't have a house, they don't have their bathroom inside their house. You know, they cannot go to a shop to buy anything. They cannot go buy food. They cannot go to school. This is sad, people. And something must be done about this. Like people who are in place to think for Haiti. People who will be responsible for the country next. You must have your head in place, because it's not a game, and you must be able to bring Haiti back with Haitians who will want to work with you, because the people cannot stay like this. Because I believe that the kid that I see, the gentleman that I see eating that person who were burning, you know,
becoming
this is, you know, they grow up like that. This is what they saw. You know, they don't know anything good, because if the country doesn't offer anything, you know, how that person's gonna know that it's not right to do something like this. You know, they lead us to the worst, and something must be drastically be done about this to get Haitian out of that position where it's at now.
I agree. When it gets to Haiti, I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm Haitian. When I go somewhere, I wanna be proud to say, hey, I'm Haitian, beautiful Haitian. Uh, but so much thing going on make us look bad in the media. And you know the media is they good to
but the thing is, you know something about the media never go. They go in the big hotels, but they never show where they at. They never show where they stay. We have great things to in Haiti, even though they show all the bad things. We have beautiful things to in Haiti, but they never show them. They never want to give Haiti credits for it.
But what I want to ask the government in Haiti, when are you guys going to give Haiti a chance?
They need to be out.
How do you guys feel when you step back, or perhaps when you go to sleep? How do you look at a country like that and feel proud of yourself and feel good that you are doing a good job and proud to be Haitian?
But the thing is, they're not doing a good job. They've never been doing a good job.
Because if it's your country, why don't you take care of your country? Because America is taking care of America.
Absolutely.
Why don't Haiti take care of Haiti? When is this lie going
And
to stop?
we have so much things in Haiti.
Absolutely. That's why
Gold
America
in
wants to
Haiti.
get a part of Haiti. Remember
We have
Labadie?
Stuff
We
in
have
Haiti
Labadie.
to take care of
Labadie
Haiti.
belonged to us. Now, I heard, I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. I heard if you go into Labadie, you need to pay to enter. I'm Haitian. This is a part of Haiti. Why would I have to pay to enter? I'm not 100% sure. Do not quote me with that. Why would I have to pay to enter a part of my
it's
land?
futuristic, but the thing is, what are
It
they
doesn't
using?
matter. That's
What are
our
they-
country.
What are they using that money for?
But
Did they do something for the country with the money?
But still, I don't care what they use the money for, what they don't use it for. This is our country. Do we come to America and we say, hey, let me get a piece of the land and I'm going to circle around it? Nobody, you guys cannot enter until you pay for it. That's impossible. We don't have that right. Even we fought so hard, we helped them. Why you think Louisiana, there's people in Louisiana that speak Creole, that speak Patois?
Hey, what about Havana in Georgia?
But that's what I'm saying. But still, it belongs to the American people. It belongs to this country. This is not our land. Why make them think it's okay for them to go and say, hey, I'm taking a piece of Labadie. It's beautiful. I'm going to make it look nice, but you cannot enter. How dare you?
Another thing.
And the Haitian people don't say nothing?
Another thing. Why?
Am I too old or am I too young to understand what's going on in Haiti?
You know,
it's ridiculous. Somebody needs to do something. This is the time. And the way I see every day in the news something different, I think Haiti is going down, 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 down to the drain. Somebody needs to hurry up
this is what they
and
want
grab
for
it
Haiti.
and
This
pick
is
it up
what they
and
want
put
for
it
Haiti.
up. And it's going to happen eventually. If we want to have a country, that's how it's going to happen.
And they don't even, the people in the government that has that are taking money, filling their pockets, you know, whatever money they're giving them to do things, to not doing things that they're supposed to be doing for the Haitian people, for the country. You know, these kind of people, they're the slave of the master. They're slave of masters because they are not able to make decisions without their masters.
Let me tell you something.
They are not responsible.
I'm trying to open a business in Haiti. I tried to open like a big store in Haiti. I sent all the stuff that I had. That is, it's crazy. I had them in a storage for a year. Some of them already expired, like baby milk and stuff like that already expired. So I sent the rest of the stuff to Haiti a couple months ago. The stuff are in Haiti at the moment, and no one can go get them. Can you believe that? So you talking about a country that people cannot even walk around?
They're even scared of leaving their home.
What are we doing?
Now they're killing people in the schools.
How are we going to fix that? As Haitian, how are we going to fix that? I cannot do it by myself. I'm not going to tell you, hey, I'm going to go to Haiti and become a hero and go to Haiti and fix Haiti. It's not going to happen like that. If I tell you I'm going to do that, I'm pretty much lying to you. But how can we do it together?
You know, it's something that gets me mad. Like when I look at Haiti to that position, and I feel this way. I have to express myself, like because I have the right to, and like every Haitians have the right to express themselves and tell what is not, like whatever.
We need to stand up together.
Everybody needs to stand up and to say no to whoever would be like meddling in our business in Haiti, you know, because we don't come meddling in people.
We need to stand up and tell the American people enough is enough.
Not really American people, because not the people don't even know the people that are responsible. they're under power.
But
You know
we
what
need
I'm
to
saying?
tell them
The
enough.
people,
Thank you for your
generally, they
help.
don't really know what is going on in
Listen,
Haiti.
we need to tell the American people, the people that put us where we at right now, that are not Haitian, thank you for your service, but we're going to take it from there. And we take our little Haiti, we marinate our little Haiti, and we fix Haiti. I heard barbecue, whatever his name is. He was talking. He said there's 5% of people in Haiti that keep Haiti, that's kept Haitian hostage. 5%. 5% is not a big deal.
But the thing is, what about the quantity of people that surpass the amount of the people who are like making chaos in Haiti?
But are you still talking about the 5%?
Yeah,
he's talking about.
I believe so.
But
if
the 5% he's talking about.
For real, why can't like the amount of people that we have in Haiti,
get rid of the 5%?
Because they have to think smart, like how they're gonna do that.
So you want them to take over the 5%? Is that what you mean?
They can take them out.
I believe so.
Do you know how many the group that Dessalines had?
Where are they?
Where
are they in Haiti?
The people, they must know where they are. They should find out where they are.
Well, let me tell you something. When they're talking about the 5%, and I'm telling myself, the 5% need to get out. But no one seems to be able to kick them out. They say, oh, is it rich people that stay in Pétionville, that stay somewhere, that try to break the country to make sure the country is falling apart?
These people were
why
never
we never
for
go
Haiti
after
anyways.
them?
They're never
Why?
For Haiti.
Why you kidnapping?
No, they're not even from Haiti.
But let me say something. Why those people, they're kidnapping the people who don't even have money? And when they have the big shot people and where is the biggest place in Haiti? Pétionville. You guys talking about the big people who got money in Haiti. You guys never kidnapped them. What's going on? Are they the one kidnapping the poor people, or are they the one that are gang members? Because I heard the gang keep kidnapping people who don't even have money. Pastor in the church, people that selling water to survive on the street. So what's the meaning of
the people that are putting the terrorists, like that are responsible and
the people that are responsible to put the country where it's at right now. Why don't you kidnap them? Where are they hiding? Go get them. I'm sure they don't stay in the house 24/7. So if you know they're traveling around, riding around, kidnap them. Stop kidnapping our little people who don't even have no money. Because I'm thinking right now, if I go to Haiti, they're going to say, oh, this woman probably have money. Let me kidnap her for $500,000 or whatever. Where are my family going to get that $500,000?
The thing is, they don't really have to kidnap them.
But that's the security we're talking about.
The government
kidnap
should be
them,
responsible.
take them away, kidnap them.
The government should be responsible, and making these people pay because they are responsible of what is happening in Haiti too.
Who? Who's responsible?
The richer people.
But that's who I'm talking about. That's who they need to go and get. Get rid of them. They don't belong in Haiti. Their skin so light and not even funny. They're like white. Get rid of them. They're not for Haiti. Remember.
No, the thing is, we have white people too that are Haitian, like skin light, the same.
What, we have white people?
But, we have skin. But
I'm not talking about light skin. I'm talking about Haiti. White people that go to Haiti and try to take the country away from us and burn our country. They are doing that because they don't care. This is not the country. Guess who care? Us. They don't care about our country. Like Clinton, when Clinton went to Haiti and get the money, the family went and get all the money for the hurricane, and they come right back to this country. They even built, I think, a small business, if I'm not lying, a small business in Haiti and make us pay for it. So what did you guys do? You guys didn't do nothing. They're not going to go and fix your country for you.
Love Haiti.
No, they don't love Haiti. That's not the country.
They just want to take
Even they were born, you see them with light skin. You see them white people and born in Haiti, they're still not Haitian. They're not.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. A lot of
They're
them
not
are from
Haitian.
Haiti.
I don't
They're
care if they were
Haitian.
born in Haiti. They're not Haitian because their parents from America come in and take over Haiti. We're done with that. Haitian are just people like me with that grin. You see? Look at my hair. That's who you call Haitian. You're going to tell me someone with chevy or curly hair, straight, you're going to say this is Haitian, it's going to care about you, it's going to care about your country. No, it's not going to care about your country. It's going to take whatever you have in your country and bring it back to this country here in America. Take it to in France. Take it to other countries. That's what they're doing. Why don't they use the same money in Haiti?
And France knew what they were doing by making Haiti paying them that amount of money. They know they were driven Haiti to that position to be able not to not even to get their head under the
people live with fear. The government, I feel like the government is like Tisusu in Haiti. Okay, they're living with fear. Whatever the American say, that's what it is. If the Americans say, "Hey, I want you to have this president," that's okay. We're gonna have this president. Yay! Yeah, this president. What the hell?
Slaves. These are the slaves, like doing what their masters.
What the hell?
These are the slaves. Because if you didn't have the mentality of slave, you would know that this is unacceptable.
This is the reason I would love
and decide to give you order on what you're supposed to do. You empower. You went to school.
You know something? I wrote a letter to the president here in America, right? To Biden, about the Haitian and Del Rio, Texas. I haven't get an answer yet. I would love to have this president come sit down in this couch with me, or invite me somewhere to see. I will tell him everything that I have inside my heart, because they are the reason why Haiti is the way it is right now. Look at the gang, 400 whatever miles or whatever, 4,400 miles of kidnapping 17 people. 16 of them are U.S. American, right? These people been in there under this gang member custody for a good 2-3 weeks. So you mean to tell me, America, look at me, you need to tell me you cannot go in one day and get these people? You mean to tell me you're gonna pay money? No. So in Iraq, you had people that was kidnapping, right? So what do? You went and get them. You didn't pay a penny.
You took Ben Laden.
Bin Laden. Oh my gosh. You went and took Bin Laden. One morning, you just wake up, you hear, oh, Bin Laden dead. So you mean that little boy I saw, what is it? Katsamaozo, that man that I saw. You mean to tell me the America that I know, that I studied, because I came here when I was very young. I went to high school here. I did college here. You mean to tell me you cannot go to Haiti and pick up this man and make him pay and get the people out of his custody?
All of them.
You mean to tell me you cannot help us fix Haiti, America? You got to be killing me. It's a game.
American government need to be part of the change.
And they don't want to get involved.
They have to be involved in changing in Haiti because they are part of the.
If Larry come in right now and say, "Hey, let me help Haiti," America would say, no, you cannot do it." The same way when there was an earthquake in Haiti, just because I think there was another country that was trying to involve to help Haiti, just because America was not, they want to be the first to go to Haiti and start helping.
To make things right.
So that's what they're doing. They're taking our country away from us.
To make things.
And when we're here, they don't look at us for nothing. They destroy our country, and once we coming in here, We don't even apply for asylum. They don't even let us apply for asylum like they did the people in Del Rio, Texas. They take them without process. How are you gonna come to this country? You already put your feet in ground, and they didn't even process you and send you back to your country where you fleeing from. They don't know what's going on. They didn't ask you no question. And the due process. They're supposed to take you. There's a due process. Once you get to this country, there's a due process. They take you, a judge need to see you and decide to send you back or to keep you in this country. Someone apply for asylum and you want to take that person back to Haiti, the same place where he was running from, he fled from. Get out of here. America, you can do better. This is a time for you to step in and try to help us. You make that mess, you need to help us fix this mess.
Absolutely, because there are a lot in what is happening in Haiti, and they need to give us our rights back. Like in case somebody that want the rights that we had in Haiti, we don't want the rights that they gave us. We don't want them in Haiti. We want our good rights that we had in Haiti.
They took our rights away.
Oh, you didn't know that?
That's why I asked you the question. So I want to
search. Because the Clintons are responsible for that.
Let us know. So they took the rights away?
He even said that. He said that he was sorry, but sorry is not going to do anything.
Oh.
The thing is to return our rights because they have it. They have our rights. They need to return it. And the government, the American government...
Clarify for some people because this is the first I heard of it. When you say Clinton apologized, I remember I heard something like that.
Yeah.
So they didn't take the rights away from us. If we have rights in Haiti, what they do, they send rights to Haiti. So now everybody want to eat the rice in America. They have our rice.
They have your own rice.
Okay, what do? They went to Haiti and where we plant our rice, they took it away?
I don't know exactly how they do because I don't do those things. But the thing is, we have to do more research. But he apologized about like destroying our rice. But the thing is, they are making millions, I heard. You know, they are making millions from our rice that we had in Haiti. You know, so our rights need to be returned in Haiti. You know what I'm saying?
You guys hear it.
We need to like so much things that our American government owe Haitians. They owe us. They owe Haitians in Haiti.
Because, so you think they owe us?
Because we Haitians were there for you, fighting next to you.
Yep. There you have
honestly stand by you, but you must not be the knife that stabbed Haitians in the back.
True.
You need to do your work too and making things right in what you are involved in Haiti.
There you have it, y'all. This is our show for tonight. I appreciate you. You guys please share. Subscribe to Bible Diva and subscribe to
KATALINA'S Visions.
And you guys have a nice day. Bye.
Bye, everyone.